Welcome back. I'm modeling with part 3 of stone modeling. I will continue with doing the unwrapping of the stone model, as we have now the low poly model. Let me rename it like by the way, I have to enable the keys. Yes, that's perfect. So for the moment we don't really need the high poly mesh. We will use only the low poly, as we have to work with it some more. For the UV editing, it's gonna be good for us to have good I don't know why I have a listing with to have good UV pack for good usage when you may do it. I don't know exactly how I'm going to manage the unwrapping. And mark some seams. I'm going with the flow of the polygons. Basically, that's how it's gonna look. And a helpful method to discover if it's well unwrapped without too much stretch is to display it from here. Display stretch. Here it's a small portion. Maybe I will do one more here. Around here. The goal here is to have as less seams as possible, because you don't want to go with it overkill, like a seam for every polygon. But also to make it optimal for much more usage of the tile. Maybe here. One more here. Let's take a look. We need to do some more work. Maybe I can separate this area. One cut here and one here. Maybe a smaller. Somehow I paused the video. Let's go with 5. So. Angle based. This face is too long. That's pretty well. Let me check if the scale is applied. It's not filling any holes. That's much better. And now the model is pretty good for texturing and also for the normal baking. Now that I have the model unwrapped, I can do the baking. First off, let me change to shading and this one. For the baking, let's name the material for the stone. I will make an input for an image texture. No, open, new. Let's make it stone normal. Maybe I will do it maybe I will do it 4K. I select the image. For the moment I don't give it any input, and now we can basically do the bake. We check this, we move it to normal, maybe a smaller size, 3 pixels. And now it will be like a trial and error to see what's suiting best for the stone. And make it for a faster render. Oh, sorry. So it's the other way apparently. So I have to select first of the high poly and then the low poly. Now I can bake it. Let me do this window bigger so I can see. Back with the bake. So that's what I was talking about. These green areas, they're unwanted, and also I need to shade it smooth. Perfectly smooth. Back with the shading. Let me see how I can get it better. Now we finish the bake. I have a better result. Still I am getting some small artifacts. Maybe I need to get it somewhere to 1.5. Hopefully it will be good. I will bake again and I'm gonna come back. So that's it. Now I got rid of any artifacts in the UV. It looks good. Now I have to save it. I will make a new folder. I'll save it in 16 bits. And let me hide it. Okay, so that's good. We change the color space to non-color. And we get a normal map. We put it into color, then normal, and now I have got all the details from the high poly into the low poly. Maybe we can render it. I make it too transparent so we can focus more on the mesh, not on the background image. Okay, so now I can get some stone texture. So I got this cool texture from Upsplash. By the way, I'm not getting any sponsorship from them. It's a free texture, free of use. Let me load in. Also get a texture coordinate. This photo it will be in the generated. That's how the color is looking. Now I can give it some roughness by putting the color ramp. I put the image through. I change it not to be perfectly black, and also maybe a little more lighter. was changing the wrong color. Maybe somewhere here. And I can put a bump and give it also to the height. And 4. Maybe I change the shading to something else. Not to normal. Point 2. Still. Okay, so it was the other way. Sorry for that. I have to leave it to white for the roughness. Now that's the stone. That was the tutorial. See you next time.